Greetings from the vibrant city of Doha, Qatar, a hub where cultures merge and flavors unite. Today, we invite you to delve into the heart of a Lebanese bread-making factory where the magic of tradition unfolds in this bustling metropolis. Entrance to the Lebanese bread-making factory in Doha, showcasing a mix of modernity and tradition. The process begins with the finest ingredients sourced locally. Premium flour, pristine water, a touch of salt, and a passion for perfection. Every ingredient is carefully selected to ensure the authentic Lebanese taste. Step into a world where ancient traditions meet modern techniques. The Al Jamil family has brought the cherished Lebanese bread-making tradition to Doha. Their dedication to perfection is an art form in itself. The dough is then carefully shaped and prepared, blending the centuries-old techniques with modern efficiency. The essence of this dough-making process is retained, while technology lends a helping hand. This factory, a blend of Lebanese expertise and Qatari enthusiasm, brings together the secrets of age-old Lebanese bread-making techniques with the efficiency of modern technology. The dough is then kneaded, a process that requires skill and precision. Expert hands work tirelessly to ensure each loaf is just right, ready to face the blazing oven that will transform it into a masterpiece. The heart of the operation lies within the intense heat of the traditional oven. Each dough ball is flattened and then placed on the hot oven surface, where it quickly puffs up and forms the familiar Lebanese bread we all know and love. The carefully crafted dough now makes its way into state-of-the-art ovens, each one calibrated to achieve the perfect bake. These ovens embrace the traditional essence, giving the bread its distinct texture and flavor. As the bread bakes, a symphony of sizzling and crackling sounds fills the air, a delightful precursor to the feast for the senses that awaits. narrator once baked, the loaves are handled with care, swiftly packaged, and made ready for distribution across the city. From the ovens to your table, the journey of a tradition-rich taste. To dedication and hard work of the skilled bakers ensure that the factory produces thousands of fresh loaves daily, meeting the demands of the bustling city of Doha and beyond. And there you have it, the art and science of Lebanese bread making, bringing a piece of tradition and culture to the heart of Doha. Stay tuned for more tales of culture and culinary delights. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be a part of our journey. Thank you for watching.